Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a geometric bowl in 2 different ways. Let's get on with the video. You're going to need a piece of cardstock paper or a piece of scrapbook paper. I used cardstock paper. You want to cut out 3 squares of the same size. I made my squares to be 4x4, but you can make them any size that you want. You can trace around the first square to make the other 2 squares. When you're done cutting your squares, you want to take your first square and fold it diagonally. Then you want to fold both top corners to meet the center point. And then you want to open it back up. Now you want to take the bottom corner and fold it up to meet in the center. You want to do the same steps for the other 2 squares. Now you want to put glue on the corner of one of your triangles. And then you want to tuck the triangle into another triangle. I used a glue stick to glue the bowl together, but you can use any type of glue. You want to do the same thing to the third triangle to form the bowl. Then you can glue the flaps that are on the bottom in place, and then you'll be done with the bowl. You can put anything that you want into the bowl, like paper clips. You want to print out a template from the craft patch onto a piece of paper. I'll put a link in the description down below to her blog post so you can find the template. Then you want to cut out the template. I did resize the template so I could fit it onto the paper I was using. You're also going to need cardstock paper or scrapbook paper. I used paper that has a pattern on both sides. Now you want to trace a template onto the paper. Then you can cut it out. What you want to do now is that you want to put the template over the paper that you're using for the bowl. Then you want to fold both pieces of the paper where all the lines are on the template. When you're done folding, you want to cut where the dotted lines would be on the paper you're using for the bowl. You can use the template as a guideline to know where you need to cut. Now you want to put glue where the number 1 triangle would be, and then you want to move the triangle next to it over until the triangles overlap. I used a glue stick to glue this bowl together too, but you can use any type of glue. You could probably start gluing on any of the numbers and you would still get a bowl. I started on the number 2 triangle, but you can start with the number 1 triangle first if you want. You want to continue this for the rest of the number triangles, and then you'll be done with the bowl. You can put anything into this bowl too, like binder clips or paper clips. And that's how you make both of these geometric bowls. I love how they turned out. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!